Hello, my name is Kasen. I'm from Polk County, and I'm a superhero, 4-H superhero of science. So first, for this experiment, you need to gather materials, and there are these packing peanuts. Have you ever received a package that had packing peanuts to keep your items safe? Or have you ever seen these? What do you think about them? What do they feel like? What do they look like on the inside? What do you think they're made from? These are all types of questions that can start a scientific investigation. To do this experiment, you will need your packing peanuts and some water. To show the different types between your packing peanuts, look at it when it's dry. What does it feel like? What does it look like? What does it sound like? These are all observation skills that scientists use. So for your experiment, we need to create a fair test. So test the two types of packing peanuts and water for the same amount of time. You will use your senses to observe what happens. So decide how long you will put your styrofoam peanut into the water. You could count or use a timer. I'm going to be using 10 seconds, but you can use any time you want. So to start the experiment, place the two peanuts in the water. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. So take the peanut out of the water and explore it with your senses when it's wet. What does it feel like? What does it look like? What does it sound like? But don't taste it. Write your observations on a piece of paper. Scientists do this. Next, do the same thing with the cornstarch peanuts. Put them in the water and count 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8 Mississippi, 9 Mississippi, 10 Mississippi. Take them out of the water and explore them when they're wet. What do they feel like? Mine feel kind of slippery. What do they look like? They look foamy. They sound like foam. But don't taste these. Write your observations on a piece of paper. You will share your observations as your show and tell. With the rest of your cornstarch peanuts, wet the ends and see if you can stick them together to make a sculpture or build something. Think about what happens to each type of peanut, styrofoam or cornstarch in a landfill. What would be better for the environment? Why?